Lenovo is set to introduce the Legion Pro 5 Gen 10 16IAX10 2025. If you're a gamer, creator, or someone who just wants the best of everything, stick around. This machine is a monster. So, let's discuss the specs, features, price, and availability of the Legion 5 Pro. Unitysystems Solutions. Under the hood, an absolute powerhouse. It's running on Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX, a 24-core CPU with 8 performance and 16 efficiency cores. That's paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5070 with 8GB of next-gen GDDR7 VRAM and a TGP of 115W. This combo crushes AAA titles, handles 4K editing with ease, and multitasks like a dream. You also get a massive 32GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz and a blazing fast 1TB PCIe Gen for SSD boot times, game loads, project files, all lightning quick. No upgrades needed for a while. Powering this beast is an 80Wh battery, and yes, it supports super rapid charge. Realistically, expect 4 to 5 hours on mixed use, but it charges fast thanks to the 245W AC adapter. Special features: AI chip, LA3. Weight around 2.43 kg, 5.36 pounds. Case color Eclipse black. Surface treatment anodizing sandblasting. Case material aluminium, top, PCABS, bottom. This Legion comes with a gorgeous 16-inch WQXGA OLED display, pumping out 500 nits of brightness. It's got a 165Hz refresh rate, full DCI, a P3 color gamut, Dolby Vision, and display HDR True Black 1000, perfect for both gaming and high-end content creation. Ports: 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 1 USB-A Gen 2, always on, 2 USB-C, 1 with USB 4, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, up to 8K per 60Hz, RJ45 Ethernet, and full Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support. Honestly, this is a desktop replacement with everything you need. Design-wise, this thing looks aggressive but still premium. RGB lovers, you're covered with a 24-zone RGB backlit keyboard. It's tactile, customizable, and yes, absolutely gamer-approved. Audio is powered by Harman speakers, tuned with Nahimic audio, and you get two 2W stereo speakers. Loud, clear, with great spatial separation. Webcam? It's just 720p, but has an e-shutter for privacy. Storage. Max storage support up to 2 drives, 2x M.2 SSD. M.2 2242 SSD up to 2 TB, M.2 2280 SSD up to 2B. Storage slot 2 M.2 2280 PCIe for 0.0x for slots. Max memory up to 64GB DDR5-5600.